So as far as it goes for the beginning of my story, when I was a child, they grew in really messed up. And in school, they used to call me Mr. Ed and all kinds of other things. I was in a lot of pain. I would be rolling on the floor begging to get shot in the head. It was bad. I didn't have any health insurance, so, my teeth would break and they would fall out like piece by piece. And I would get pliers or tweezers or whatever and pull the little shards out.
When I first met Jamie, her biggest frustration was that she was having one tooth problem after another. Not to mention her confidence was down. Her smile was a very gummy smile. Most of her teeth were going to be non-restorable, and we were either going to have to offer her something removable or go ahead and offer her some type of implant-supported prosthetic. I explained to her the different options and the complexity of the case. About 2 weeks later, she began her case. We did her surgery one day. It was about 5 hours. The following day, we delivered her prosthetic, and she was crying the day we delivered it. It just completely changed everything about her, starting from that day. Every single day since then, every time we see her, it's like family. She's always smiling, coming in, brightens up the office when she walks in.
Dr. Price made me feel comfortable with this procedure because he's so reassuring with the process and that everything's going to be okay and that he has the ability to make magic happen. The first time I got the chance to see my smile, I felt amazing. I shed tears. I was so happy. It was amazing, life-changing. This whole entire process has been life-changing. I feel better, like health-wise. I feel confident. I get compliments all the time on how beautiful my smile is. I'm not afraid to go to an event or even a restaurant and smile. I hadn't smiled in 10 years. I had to relearn how to smile. People were reminding me, Jamie, you can smile now. So, it's just, there's so many things that make getting these implants worth every dollar and every ounce of pain that it took to get here.